Hello. Let's do this recap for what I did today on my phone. It was actually a really good day, and I managed my emotions well. I was able to take trades when they set up, and it was a great day. Honestly, it was really good. I didn't so I took two, and I had one overnight that I sold. If we go like last night, I took a trade on ES, but with the SPX options because they trade for me. Um, when was it? It was off of it was off of one of these. What time is it? We'll just look. 22:03. I think it was off of Black Magic here. 22:03. Yeah, the open of the hour. 22:03. I got filled on that 1-2-3 on the 5 minute. The stop was really tight, so I was okay with getting filled at not the like 30 cents higher there. And it's the Black Magic right here as we came into it. And then I was selling up just as the hourly opened on the new day at midnight as we popped up into a hourly setup. Very simple setup. Where was it? Yeah, very like Black Magic. We come into this PCL I was selling there. So what happened today? So bought a put at 11:43. So let's go to SPX. 11:43. That would have been right here. I believe it was as we came into the PCH. It was the first test. Now, 60-minute setups are time exempt for me. So what I did was the first time we came up into this, 37.92 PCL, right here, 37.92 PCL, exactly the price you can see down here, 37.92. I was on my phone. We got that quick drop. That doesn't look like much, but that's actually 15 points or 12 points. And on the contract, I took just 2.5, nothing crazy. Quick 250 right there. Great execution. There was a bunch of long setups below it. There was like a 5-minute setup here. There was like a 15-minute setup, PCH. There was a lot of things screaming long. So I wanted to take it off immediately into that first drop. And that's exactly what happened. Took it off somewhere in here, like 5 minutes later. And then it did its thing. It eventually went higher, and then the long setups caught up to it, so it kept going up, or it wouldn't drop at least. So great trade. Perfect execution. Oh, the next one was crazy, man. 519 on the 37.55 calls. Let me actually pull that chart up. So, oh, that was so sick. When it came down into this Black Magic on the day, 37.55. We came down to 37.56, and it ripped. Like, it just took the freak off immediately. And I was pissed because I missed it. I actually missed that first entry where it ripped from 56 to 79. Like, what is that, 23 points? 24 points? Like, the contracts went up, I don't know, $10. Like, the 55s went up $10, I think. Something like that. And wow, what a move. So as it pulled back in, like it ripped, and then it got stuffed right back into the setup again in the same candle though. So I bought the dip within the candle. It was right on this dip here, and immediately we're in from 14.30 to 19.40. Like $5 in this one. Like, look at this. It's literally a 27-second trade for just over $500, 5 points. Crazy. And totally systematic, part of my system. The execution was perfect. I got where it stalled out and where I thought, okay, if this doesn't work, I'm going to lose 1R. But instead I made 2R-ish. Great trade. And all of a sudden, I'm up like a week, 2 weeks or a week and a half of bricklaying. And why is that? That's not because I'm a badass. That's not because I do something exceptional. It's I get out of my own way so the system can do its work. I execute the system well. I don't execute what I think well. Whatever, right? It's not that. It's I follow the rules and I follow the stats. I take the trades that are statistically likely to work in my favor or have a skewed risk to reward. So just keep reiterating that to myself as I'm doing better and better, because I am doing better and better. I'm constantly wiring out this money. I'm taking gains every day these days because most of my days are green. And normally that'll get to my head and I'll start not respecting stops because I think I'm a legend, like I'm the second coming of Christ. I can't be wrong, so I don't have to honor a stop, or I'll chase something. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to stay as far away from that as I can. I'm going to try to catch it and nip it in the bud. So great trading. Awesome trading. Nothing crazy going on here. Just executing the system like a badass and just calling it a day. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope I see more of these from you. I would like to go and review some of them in this channel here that we've created on Discord. I guess I'm going to be on, this is uploaded to YouTube, but in the Discord channel, I want to see some more of these and I'll comment on them myself. So have a good one.